Well, recent breaking news coming in at this hour. We're learning that Sri Lanka, in fact, remember, rescued 204 Iranians from Aris Bushehr on Friday. In the latest of tracking at this hour, Sri Lanka has released footage of the warship that was present in the Indian Ocean. Visuals of Bush present on your screens at the moment. Remember that the Aris Bushehr was returning back home to Iran after an event in India. Sri Lanka has also released the video of the Iranian sailors being transferred from the ship with engine problems. Now, the broadening Middle East conflict is putting strategically located Sri Lanka in a delicate position. Now, these are visuals present there on your screens at the moment. These are, in fact, showing you the Iranian sailors that were returning home to Iran. And this is a video of them, footage of them, the warship that was present in the Indian Ocean. That is, in fact, also includes the fact that Sri Lanka rescued about 204 Iranians from the Aris Bushehr. We also have my colleague Disha Bagchi joining us on the broadcast. Disha, walk us through the details. We're understanding that 204 Iranians were rescued by Sri Lankans and the Aris Bushehr was then allowed to dock off the coast of Sri Lanka.
Right, this is Sri Lanka yet again giving aid to another Iranian warship that is in the Indian Ocean. Now, this warship, the Aris Bushehr, was facing engine failure and engine trouble, and was in fact had 204 sailors on board, which the Sri Lankans have now rescued these 204 Iranian sailors as well as allowed the warship to dock in Sri Lanka. Now, this is the second Iranian warship to dock in Iran since in the past week, since that attack, the American attack on one of the Iranian warships, the Iris Dana, in the Indian Ocean. Since then, tensions in the Indian Ocean have also, in a sense, increased, with the Middle East tensions now coming to India's backyard in the Indian Ocean. And Sri Lanka has been trying to walk that delicate line of trying to, on humanitarian grounds, providing aid to these Iranian warships, allowing them to dock at Sri Lanka, at the same time ensuring that they are trying to maintain that delicate position of maintaining that balance, saying that these are humanitarian obligations and regarding international maritime law, and they're not trying to get into the tensions in the Middle East, because remember, China is also a very close ally of Sri Lanka, and China is also a very close ally of Iran. So Sri Lanka has made it very clear that while we're giving humanitarian aid to these sailors, we're not trying to take any sides.
You mentioned that Sri Lanka is, trying to juggle diplomacy with international maritime law.